Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got an awesome grooming tool to unbox and check out. The Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000. This is a 13-in-1 grooming kit that promises to take care of all your trimming needs, whether it's hair, beard, or nose hair. If you're tired of juggling multiple devices for different grooming tasks, this could be a game changer. So, let's dive right in. Now, let's take a quick look at the packaging. It's pretty compact, but as you can see, it's packed with all the features right here on the front. The kit includes 13 attachments, everything you need for grooming. And what's really cool is that it uses dual cut technology for precise and self-sharpening blades. Alright, let's crack this thing open and see what we've got inside. First thing I notice is the packaging. It's really organized. Everything is secured nicely, so nothing feels loose or rattling around. We've got the full-size steel trimmer, a precision trimmer, and a nose and ear hair trimmer. And that's just the beginning. Here's the main trimmer, which feels really sturdy. It's got a nice weight to it, which gives it a premium feel. And if you look closely, you can see the dual cut technology blades. These are designed to stay sharp for up to 2 years of use without needing any oil for maintenance. That's a huge time saver. Next, we've got the steel precision trimmer. This is great for detail work, like shaping your beard or trimming around your eyebrows. Then there's the nose and ear trimmer, which is definitely a must-have for keeping things neat and tidy in those hard-to-reach areas. Of course, you also get a bunch of trimming guards, including 3 for hair, 3 for beards, and a stubble guard for those who like to keep it a bit scruffy. And check this out, you also get a handy accessory travel bag, which is perfect for keeping everything organized when you're on the go. Also included is a cleaning brush, which will make it easy to keep everything clean and hygienic. The blades and guards are all easy to detach and rinse underwater, so maintenance is a breeze. Overall, this kit is looking pretty solid. Whether you're a pro at grooming or just starting out, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000 gives you everything you need in one box. No oil required, and it even works with an automatic voltage feature, so it's perfect for travel. Let's give it a quick test run. The self-sharpening blades really seem to make a difference in terms of cutting precision. I'll quickly trim a bit of my beard here, and you can see how smoothly it goes through without pulling or tugging. As you can see, it's cutting through pretty effortlessly, no snags or discomfort. And because it's so easy to clean, I won't have to worry about any buildup over time. So there you have it, the Philips Norelco Multigroom 3000. This 13-in-1 grooming kit is definitely a solid choice if you're looking for something versatile, easy to maintain, and built to last. If you're interested in picking it up, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for watching, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more unboxing and review videos. See you in the next one.